In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rich text in Shopify. This quick walkthrough will show you how to add a flexible, styled content block to any page in your store so you can communicate clearly with customers and highlight products or collections. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes. Once you see your published theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. From here, you can select the specific page you want to edit. For example, the home page, using the page selector at the top of the editor. This step sets the context so the changes you make appear exactly where you want them. With the theme editor open, look for the option to add new content. Click Add section to reveal the list of available blocks. Scroll or search until you find the Rich Text option and choose it. This inserts a new rich text section into the page layout. It behaves like a mini content editor inside your theme, letting you mix headings, paragraphs, and a button without touching code. Now it's time to customize the content. Click into the Rich Text section to edit the heading and the body text. Use concise headings that summarize the message, and keep paragraphs short for easy scanning on both desktop and mobile. You can also add a button within the same section. Give the button a clear call to action like Shop Now or Learn More. In the editor, you'll find alignment options. Choose left, center, or right based on your overall layout and branding. Adjust colors for text and the button so they match your theme palette, and maintain good contrast for accessibility. If you want to link text or the button, use the link tool inside the Rich Text editor. You can link directly to individual products or entire collections within your store, or point to external sites when needed. When linking to store items, the editor typically offers an autocomplete list, making it quick to find the exact product or collection you want to reference. Finally, position the rich text block on the page by dragging it with your mouse to the desired spot in the theme layout. Take a moment to preview the page on both desktop and mobile views to ensure spacing and alignment look right. A few small adjustments to text size, alignment, or color can make a big difference in readability and conversion. That's all there is to it. Adding and customizing a rich text section in Shopify is a simple way to communicate key information and guide visitors toward the next step.